We started with just 3 products, just strawberry jam and beetroot chutney and rhubarb jam. We got help then for Orkney Enterprise in the late 90s for just help with labelling and packaging and making it a bit more professional looking. Then it grew and grew. My fern kitchen was all passed by the environmental health, but it just got too big for the kitchen. It was just, you couldn't move for jam charge. And we were lucky, we had this building here that we could do up, so we just got out the building and lined it and started here in 2001. I was always very interested in renewables and recycling, and so we went ahead in 2009 and did through all the process of getting the turbine, and so it provides the electricity for here when the wind blows. It's a good help with the cost. We've got 4 hobs there and they're all 3 kilowatts, so if you're working at all, even if it was working to capacity, it's not going to be generating everything, but it certainly helps. It's green energy that you're using, well, a lot of the time it's as much as you can. I kind of emphasise that. I've got it on my marketing that it's made with green energy. And also with feed-in tariff, that gives you a revenue for the turbine as well, which helps to keep the business all going. It's made a huge difference to our electricity bills, but it also means that I don't really like making stuff when the wind's no blowing.